I want to talk to you about XFE and XFE Fort. For anyone who uses bores, they will have iron staining on things. So we've got some zinc aluminum here with iron staining on it and some brick here with some iron staining, and it's very frustrating, but we've got a solution for you. So XFE is for non-porous, which are things like your ColourBond inside your toilet, doors, things like that. XFE Fort is for porous surfaces, more like your brickwork and things. So we can paint it on or we can spray it on. So today we've got a little 12-volt sprayer. We're just going to spray it on. We'll do the brickwork as well. What's the difference between the two products? They're similar, but they're different at the same time. XFE Fort is a runnier solution, so it can be sprayed on. XFE, the original product, is much thicker, so that when you paint it on, it will stay and cling to the surface. So the best example is when you're doing the toilet or a shower, it's going to stick to that surface and hang on to it much longer. Whereas when you're doing concrete driveways or a wall, you can spray this on larger areas. It makes it much easier. Okay, so to just give you an idea what we've done here, a little garden bed here, and we've got some spray heads on there, and unfortunately they mist a little bit. Bore water's going through it. That misting water comes back to these air conditioning units. So what I've done is I've used the XFE on here and I've just brushed it on with a paintbrush. Now we've only done one application, but you can see what we started with and what I've finished with, and same down here. It's worked really well. We still don't have total clean surface, but by the time we give that a second application, that's going to come up pretty pristine. So it's quite obvious what the difference is between the two surfaces, treated and untreated. Okay, so we've given it a quick dose with XFE, let it soak for a while, then washed it off. It's not 100%, but I want people to remember there was 18 years worth of iron oxide on this. So it does need a little bit of a further treatment. So we've had 2 coats on this side and 1 coat on this side. I don't think it's done a bad job. Another application or 2, let it soak in for a while, give it a bit of a wash off. I think that's going to clean up very nicely. So if you've got iron oxide, remember XFE and XFE Fort.